Number 1, Tesco Clubcard Pay Plus. This is the one that everybody should get. It's completely free, and you get 1 point per £1 spent at Tesco. You get 1 point for every 1 litre of fuel bought at Tesco, which is normally 1 point for every 2 litres without it. And then you get 1 point for every £8 you spent outside of Tesco. You have to top the card up, which is slightly inconvenient. You could set up a direct debit into that, but that's a bit weird. Moving on to number 2, Tesco credit cards. Now, an important note is all Tesco credit cards have the exact same points scheme. Even the Tesco Clubcard Plus credit card, which you have to pay for, technically, that one has the exact same rules applied to it. The main difference with these credit cards over the debit card is that you get 1 point for every £4 you spend in Tesco, including fuel. And then you also get the double points on fuel, technically, the same as the debit card. So in all, it's better, but you do have the risk of, obviously, it's a credit card, so you could get in debt. As long as you set up a direct debit that pays it off every month, this is the option to go for if you get accepted for it. They have quite a few options of credit cards. Just look through them, make sure you get the best one that works for you. Number 3 is Clubcard Plus. Now, this is quite controversial because people don't like the way it locks you into Tesco as like the only supermarket you can realistically use, because you're kind of forced to use it. Bearing that in mind, if that is the only supermarket that you use anyway, it's kind of a no-brainer, because all you have to do is spend £80 once in like one go and you get the 10% off, and that will have vetoed the monthly subscription fee. The maximum saving you can get per shop is £20 each. So combining it together, 40 quid minus the subscription fee, that's going to be leaving you with £32. Yes, you get 10% off F&F clothing as well. You also get double data on your phone packages. I actually don't think it's that bad of a deal, because when I was looking at the prices, the phone company that I use is Voxy, and from what I can tell, for the amount of data you get, Voxy is the cheapest, and Tesco are matching them on the price. Tesco does become a viable option if you're in that ecosystem already. Plus, you can collect Clubcard points on your monthly subscription to Tesco Mobile. The first month that you sign up, it's going to be free, and just make sure that if you don't want to pay, cancel straight away. Like literally the day you sign up is also the day you should cancel. Moving on to number 4. So the other one is Christmas Savers. A couple of different supermarkets have different Christmas Saver schemes. I'll probably make a video about them. But the way the Tesco one works is if you sign up, it will automatically convert your current club cards that you're earning and put them in like a little bank and save them until you get up to Christmas. If you want, you can top that account up with actual money, and then they will give you money back around Christmas time when you unlock it. But it's not real money, it's in the form of vouchers, but it's up to 6%. So I think you can do it like a month before December. You can put the cash in and then you'll get the bonus a month later. As you can see, the maximum bonus is £12, but the £100 top up and the £200 top up are giving you the same rate. So like it's a 6% bonus essentially on those two. The £1.50 bonus and the £3 bonus, that's a lower rate. If you were going to do it, I would recommend doing the £100 top up, because it's essentially like a 6% interest savings account, but you get the interest like almost instantly or within like a month or 2 months or something. So that's faster than like waiting a whole year. So yeah. Number 5 is just a bunch of little things that I think might be worth doing. So Tesco and Halfords are partnered up, and if you sign up for their subscription service, you get 500 Clubcard points, which is the equivalent of £5. You can also double them to £10 with the Tesco partners, as all points do. With the Halfords Motoring Club, it says they're worth over £100 in benefits, but you know, that's who knows. It's normally £4.99 per month or £49 for the whole year. You can cancel straight away, I believe. So an interesting one that's quite new is Every, or what used to be Hermes. You can now collect points with them, which I think is kind of interesting. And I was thinking that if you've got an eBay business, that's probably really good, because like if it's a business expense, like it's not really your money, and it's the same exchange rate as Tesco, so it's £1. £1 spent gets you 1 point, so it's essentially 1% cash back. And then the other stuff isn't that great. It's just inkjet recycling. But yeah, so the other thing is the Waves Car Wash. The other one is you can collect Clubcard points at Esso Fuel, which they've had this offer for years. I mean, it's always changing. In this instance, at the moment, as of 2023 and 2024, you collect 1 point for every £3 you spend there. If you enjoyed this video, I've selected another video that's just on the screen now, which I think you're most likely to want to watch. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.